Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annie K. So please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. My phone is looking foggy. I don't know. I don't even want to put this video up because I don't like how the phone looking right now. But y'all see me, I still got my tan from Jamaica. So I was trying to. Today is March 14, and I'm on break, obviously. But oh yeah, I was trying to wait until my tan go down, like my skin, come back to a little bit normal, because I got tan in Jamaica. And honestly, I did bring the sunscreen, but I used it one time, and I'm like, can't buy that one. So I just didn't care to use it. But yeah, I really should start using it though, because this tan takes forever to get away. It takes forever to get off. So I'm gonna start using sunscreen for real. But the trip was lit. We had fun. I'm trying to go back. I wanna go with my family that, so. But this is some turkey neck. I put this on 3 something, and so see, you can see a lot of heat, right? Most of it's not really hot. I just don't feel like getting up. Like some part is hot, some part is not. This is brown rice that I use to make the rice and peas. I'll be back. I gotta go warm this up. So yeah, I started taking off my nails because I'm tired. But look what my supervisor just gave me though. Me have a badge. That means that me, I will secure the guards. I'm complete now. And I told him, I'm like, I'm glad y'all, look at this. Nice. I'm like, I'm glad y'all spelled out my whole name, because people love calling me Anna instead of Annie K. Like, ever since I come out foreign, people don't know. Wait there. This is in a cafe corner or something. I don't know. We have a problem, because this is not going. I don't have no pocket. Julio, I don't have no pocket for this.
You don't have a pocket?
No.
Okay, it's very simple. You don't need to have a pocket.
Where you put it?
Just comes out like this.
Oh. Oh. I thought it was like.
And then you just put it on.
Oh.
You just put this.
Back in the back?
Yeah, in the back.
Okay. This is magnetic. We gotta take this off. I'll see. Take it off. I don't think it's gonna. Let me see though. Put it. This is supposed to be outside and this is supposed to be inside. If it sees, it's gonna work. Oh, it works. But look, it fits. Okay, I got it. It's looking too low. Oh, let me push it over. Yeah. I think I'm messing it up. How do me? Oh, there you go. Annie K. Kenton. No, y'all don't know the government. I think on my right side or my left side. I don't even know. I think I look better on the left, on the right side. I'm right-handed anyway. I'm not a lefty, I'm a righty. So we're gonna put you over here, girl. And you just. Ah, hear that? It snaps. Wait. Is it right? There you go. Ooh. So, like I was saying about the trip. The trip was lit. Listen, me, to make me kind of up, I'm not really upset, but me feel away because I got Jamaica, I got do zip lining, I don't have a video for it, and me feel away. I feel away because you know why? The girl, Kimberly went before me. I have a video, I recorded Kimberly, but the girl that was behind me asked her to record me, and she was like, okay. And I was trying to give her this phone that I'm recording on right now, and she was like, I'm not gonna be able to use your phone because she had, I guess she had her phone around her neck, but I don't know why she wasn't able to use her phone. She said something, but I honestly don't remember what she said. So I was like, okay, all right, you use your phone and then you can send it to me. Cool. So yeah, we did the zip lining. She recorded me because I did see it. And then because we did it three times, we did it 3 times, right? So yes, the first and second time for me was cool. The first was it the first time? The first time for Kimberly, was it the first time? It was the first time. It was the first time. I don't remember which one it was time for her. I am cracking up because I remember her facial expression. The first time, listen, the first time with Kimberly was not the third time, but the third time I recorded her. So I know the first time I didn't get to record her, or the second time, but her face. Yo, her face was hilarious. I was cracking up like, oh my goodness, why didn't I get this on camera? Like, I'm glad. I know she's glad I didn't get that on camera because she probably want me to post it. But that was so funny. I was cracking up. She was like, and you know when she go to the other, because you go from one side to the other, and there's people over here to get her. So she said when she got over, the guy was laughing at her. The guy was laughing at her. I'm like, I was too because of your face. Her face was so funny. She was scared. She was scared. She was terrified. But okay, yeah, she was scared. But for me, the third time, yeah, I was scared on my ass. I was like, no. I mean, already no. You go last. Until I didn't go last. So I went before. I went I was the third person. I think third to last because the man was like, no. And I say a word, blah blah. So I'm like, oh, excuse me. He said, "Me not ready. Maybe I say a word. You can't force me to open myself when I'm going. You're bright. Like, how do the people? I'm not gonna when I say a word. What type of shit is that? Like, I'm bright. I thought when I say a word. I'm saying, me not ready. Because I don't know why. Or for some reason, I'm in a sweat in the gloves. I'm in a sweat. Me so nervous. I guess because of the last one, but me so nervous. And I'm not gonna talk about. And I saw you go. I'm like, and he come and talk to me and try to calm me down. I didn't tell them. Guy on the side did not talk to me politely. You know, I said, I saw you going blah blah blah. And I said, you know, I said no. He come in, I guess he changing his attitude. I come talk to me nicely and calm me down, try to calm me down. Because you know, sometimes you talk to somebody, I do something like that. Right, the Angelo in bright. But yeah, so this is why you entered my video, bro. You being loud. But yesterday I cooked turkey neck. I remember one time my mother, she didn't buy, we were going food shopping and she didn't buy turkey neck. And then when we go home, she don't cook it, she could text me and say, oh, turkey neck look like oxtail. He said turkey neck look like oxtail. I said, really? She said, yeah. And then yesterday we use the oxtail season for this, so let me do. So yeah. I'm going to oxygen and eat. I may refuse to buy oxygen. But then the price, I don't know.
That's what I saw. That's what I'm sticking with. And I explained to them. I'm sticking to my story. And if I want to go further, I can take her out.
What the hell is someone from me on Instagram?
They said, oh, but they take this.
I like your number. You from Instagram?
The computer did it.
Oh my god, I think I'm really, I know.
You need to get updated.
I really got my explore page and people from backside. There's somebody I need to talk to from 2000 hour. Above. Someone from me on Instagram to backside. No, yeah, that I know.
I don't even know if he's that good. I don't know if he's that good to protect. Where's it at?
I'ma follow me.
I saw what I saw. Take it or leave it. If they don't want to listen, I saw it.
Crosses, nope.
Oh, yeah. You can talk to me on something. Take notes. That's what he's going to go get it. He knows how I am.
Yeah, I get an oxygen and eat for real.
That's what I said to the guys. Want to be a nice guy? Get peace when you buy.
I'm not I don't really eat chicken so often. I just can't remember when my mother told me one time we go by. Can you say, when we can't substitute for your oxygen, I'm not oxygen. I do kind of look at oxygen, so. Just I get to oxygen and call me. You know that. I did not know that. Because I believe I was like this now, more often. I am going to cut out meat one day. Matter of fact, I'm not eating no. I look at meat, I'm going to eat beef. Well, I'm in Jamaica. I don't eat beef often. Anyways, one time I used to cook steak enough. Like, I didn't big expensive steak there. Steak from a supermarket. Like little slim size pieces. I used to cook it after. Chicken, one Indian, a chicken steak. Okay, feel good. But, oh yeah, back to trip. I was on something there, get distracted. Man, the boy say, the boy say, and I said, no, I say, because I'm not sweating, no. I don't know why I'm not sweating much in the club, but I'm not sweating bad. I tell him, and that's why he needs to come with me, because I'm not sweating enough in the gloves. And then, I must say, I'm not feel worried because even if the part they come off, it's still secure, but I'm saying no. Nope. So no more secure all over. Like, if that's somebody else. I was like, no. No, I'm already, no. Wait. Let me then go on. Me wait. Yeah, that man, you ready now? And I say yes. But, you think? You can call me a lockdown too much. Oh yeah, I don't know if I will do it. So, hello. It's too high. It's too high. But it ain't fun, not annoying. But that's mad to say negative video because the girl you say, okay, when we done now, we'll leave the fall and go back in the van. She asked me if I have airdrop and I said no, my phone dead. But the thing is, I never think about me if he airdrop it to Kimberly phone. But I was not thinking about that.
Hi.
Hello. I was not thinking about that, so. But yeah, so she said she she give me her phone, she put on my number on her phone. Put my number on her phone now. And I say, she said she got a hotel, she got send it to me because something. But before we go on the bus, right, she asked her husband if her husband, he asked her if she record him. She record her and he said, you think so? And she said, what do you mean you think so? So I think say, go up on the bus. She gave me a phone, put the number in her phone. And she said she have a video in her son already for sending. I didn't want my number. But she said something about her phone. I don't know if her battery didn't low or something. Because she said, I don't remember what she said. She said what she said when she got what she sent me. Send it to me, that's why I must put her on my phone. I said, okay. Got auto now. When I went to I said, okay, it's alright, she not send it tonight. But then tomorrow come nothing. Either come day come nothing. Either day come nothing. So I said, oh, I want one. Are you going to send me a video yet? I think about the good and the bad, to be honest. I say, something could happen to her phone, something could happen to she. Or I say, I couldn't, just a girl just, so I didn't get one good video on her husband name, record her properly or something. So she was like, you know, not sending a video. But that's you being a hero. If that was the case. If that's the case, she have one big gator. Big gator. But let me say, I think about it going on the bad, so either something happened to her phone or she just needs jealous, she didn't want to send me my video or what. But I need mad because it's my first time I do zip lining. First time ever I do zip lining. I'm on a video for show proof. And then I go on Chucker's site. Cause me message them on Instagram, she say, oh, you can see picture them. On the site, you say me, I'm saying, go up on the date where we go, I'm send picture of it. And they send me some email the truck or whatever. I don't know. I'm checking weekend. I'm gonna send the emails from them. So I don't know what one. Excuse me. So now I have no picture, I have no video. I'm here zip lining and I am pissed.
Bitch, I feel away. I feel away.
I don't know people don't say, you know. I'm gonna write them from when? Last week, Thursday after, I'm gonna write them. I make more because Jamaican again, no, over, because no like. I should have act when I people them. That's when I work on them for these things. I mean, it's also people still. People stand bad, no? Jesus. Oh yeah, me tell you no. Me even one girl will go before Kimberly record the girl and send the girl the video. Cause me know people want something and the girl come out. She come to Jamaica with her by herself. She didn't have no friends or nobody with her. So me record her and send it to her. Cause it's like she up on vacation and she don't have nobody to record her. And she want her memories, so me do it for her and send it to her. I record her for her and send it to her, man. I show her. She was like, thank you. I'm like, no problem, because like, why not? Look, see girl video, see girl video. It's a Kimberly, and then I go after her. See girl video. Look, I'm sending to the girl. I sent it to the girl because, like I said, I know she wanted it. So look, this is what she said. See? And me feel say a girl probably think say me want the other girl will have my video. Me feel just think say me make a text her or something. Like, girl, I'm not that video. Like, please. I shut up. Well, you don't have hair drop? I'm like, my phone is dead. Like, girl, I don't want the number. I mean, want my video. And look how long me send the video, this and the things the same night. Same night, you go back at the hotel, I'm sending to her. My phone in charge up, because my phone in charge up. You see? No, Sunday morning. Yeah, Sunday morning, 1:25 a.m. I send to her, my phone in charge up, let me say. Before we go downstairs, or before we go eat, I'm sending to the girl. And from that time, I text the girl back. I'm going to text the girl. So like, you want people, like, listen. People, the girl thinks I'm going to text her or something, or yeah, I'm not alone, friend. I'll be watching my video. I'm watching my video. I'm not alone, no friend. Like, girl, bye. I met your mother because her husband didn't give her a good video as she. That's why she needs to marry. That's what I met her. Sorry. But anyways, I'm gonna see YouTube last night, 1 o'clock. Type upload the video. And YouTube give me help upload the damn video. But I'm not upload it to them from the work. I'm not. Maybe it's too long.
That's what they want.
Got me one.
I feel uncomfortable coming in here. I feel
Alright.
uncomfortable
I'm gonna update you. Give that update because nothing was allowed as hell.
if I'm the baby, that I did something wrong. That's how I feel. I'm telling you.
But yeah. Guys, please don't forget to like the videos, man. I could really use them likes. Please. My videos have more views than likes. And that's why people on here that don't F with me is watching me. Hey girl. Don't forget to like though. If you could have time to come on here watching somebody you don't like or somebody you hate, somebody you don't F with, make sure you like the video. But anyways, I'm gonna see y'all later though. I'm finishing my food.